Cooper here. Did you know that cats are famous for staring at you, at the world outside a window, at the wall, and sometimes at nothing at all? Indeed, we cats are curious observers, and here's a look into why. One of the cat's most striking features are their eyes. These ocular attributes amplify their reputation for staring and make them possibly the most photogenic species on the internet. And here's why. Cats have enormous eyes compared to the size of the rest of our body. Cats' eyes blink about twice a minute, while human eyes blink about 15 to 20 times per minute. A cat's vision differs from yours. Compared to humans, cats are nearsighted. Average human visual acuity is 20/20. That means when visual acuity is tested, you must see at 20 feet the same detail that average people see at 20 feet. Feline visual acuity ranges from 20/100 and 20/200. That means that the detail an average human can see from 100 to 200 feet away, a feline can only see clearly from 20 feet away. What looks clear to humans from 100 feet away looks blurry to a cat. What they lack in visual acuity, they make up for in other advantages. The more numerous rods in their retinas enable them to see in 1/6 the amount of light humans need to see. Cats also have a wider field of vision at 200 degrees compared to humans' 180 degrees. We are wired to see the movement of the tiniest insect or speck of dust up close. Combined with our superior peripheral vision, cats are more likely to fixate on something you may not notice. Cats have adapted to human habits and use human signals to obtain information. Cats not only notice a person's gaze, but they can also follow it. Why do cats stare at a wall or seemingly nothing at all? Much goes on in walls. If walls could talk, they would tell of all the plumbing and electrical conduits they conceal, not to mention the insects and other critters that may have found their home in them. Have you ever noticed how cats know when someone is at the front door before you do? Cats' sense of hearing is much sharper than yours. The extra muscles and shapes of our ears enable us to pinpoint and amplify sounds. Cats hear the slightest sounds of everything going on in our walls and beyond them, and from leaves rustling and critters scurrying to people walking and talking outside. Cats are curious by watching their world. Indoor cats, on average, spend up to 5 hours a day looking out a window. Outdoor cats exhibit this same amazing patience when they are on the hunt. If you've ever watched an outdoor cat hunt, you would marvel at their innate ability to sit quietly and stare at something until the perfect opportunity presents itself and they pounce. If you've ever tried to make eye contact with an animal at the zoo, you may have noticed that many wild species will not comply. Some animals see eye contact as a threat or a challenge. Cats wouldn't stare at someone they fear or dislike. So when your cat stares at you, take it as a sign of trust and love. It is a compliment. Cooper here. Ciao.